Dear students of 11th class, today you will learn the introduction of the lesson. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Let us first know something about the writers. The lesson is authored by Gordon Cook and Alan East. Gordon Cook, born in 1978 in Toronto, and he is a two-time Canadian Olympic sailor and sails for the Royal Canadian Yacht Club, son of Stephen Cook and Linda Cook, and he had a great interest in writing stories. This is a short introduction about the writer. Then the story, We Are Not Afraid to Die, We Can All Be Together. It is a story of extreme courage and skill exhibited by the family members, by Gordon Cook, his family members and the crew members in a war with water and waves for survival. Ultimately, with patience, with skill, and with courage, with bravery, they were able to survive and they were able to reach the island. Then this is the yacht caught in the sea by the cruel waves of the sea. Then in the introduction, the first character is a narrator. He is a man of great courage, commitment, conviction. He proved not only as the best captain but also the best father, and possessing determination, willpower and commitment. Then Mary, she proved to be the best wife and proved to be a supportive wife to her husband in difficult times. Then Susanny, she was a brave girl, and her bravery toughened her father's resolve to fight the sea's strong storm tooth and nail. And she also faced these cruel waves, and with bravery she supported the whole family. Then there was Jonathan. He was the son of the narrator. He also showed fearlessness and bravery, and they faced the death. They faced the cruel waves with bravery and with fearlessness. So this is a short introduction about the lesson. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. I hope you liked this short video. Have a good day.